Okay, good afternoon to all the students. Our today topic is vehicle safety and environment in India. Okay, so we talk about the different government agency who put their eyes for the road safety and environmental pollution control in the India. So for here we can observe that there is a diagram related to the car security, car open by the key, or there is a remote which is help to find out the car, and there is a remote control card which is start and turn off by the remote. And here is the safety zone purpose. Here the lights is indicating the safety zone according to the safety zone. Just I open that. Why it not running? So here in there you can see the green zone is safest zone, and the zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 like that. Here means what happened, the zone related to hall 1 and hall 2, and there is 4 zone which is the safer zone. And what happened here, the car is unlocked by the remote, and you can find your car key by the remote. And next you can see what is the difference between lane departure warning. What happened, you touching the lane, this is the warning, and this is your may journal steering you back into the lane. Okay, that is the different. Okay, because this is electronic arrangement where your vehicle is crossing the lane zone, and this is your safe zone under you, means your driving is under control. And here this animation show you a safe distance between two car where the rainy season or the cloudy atmosphere. When the cloudy atmosphere and the rainy season is there, then the safe distance must be between two cars. Okay, so these animations show that what is the safest distance between two cars. So here these are the different regularities or authority which is responsible for the rule and regulation of road vehicle transportation. MORTH, Ministry of Road Transportation and Highway. MOSHI, Ministry of Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises. Public enterprises. What do you mean? Means the MOSI is belongs to the heavy vehicles which is transport the industrial material to the industry, and Ministry of Road Transport as an highway means this is the whatever the vehicles running on the highways, this authority is take care of that things. Ministry of Environmental and Forest. So what happened, this organization is their eyes for the sake of the safety of the environment, means they can make rule and regulation what is the pollution level emitted by the vehicles. They can put their eyes to control them. Okay. Ministry of Consumer Affairs means what happened, whatever the consumer means, vehicle owner is there, if they have any problem regarding the drive their vehicles on the road, so they can communicate with this Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So put forward their complaints regarding the uh, difficulty, what are the difficulty they face in the road while the driving. Direct journal foreign trade means these belongs to the transportation between foreign or outsider of the nation. If outsider person drive the vehicles and they involve any guilty or anything's happen, then this department is the take care of that. State ministry is governing all these things in the state level. Standardization, what is the standardization? Okay, see, CV, CMVR, Technical Standing Committee, Automotive Industry Standard Committee, AISC, Standing Committee on the Emission Legislation means emission related to your pollution control, Bureau of Indian standards. They are, and there are the certification industry. They are provide the different certificate for the vehicle. ARAI, the Automobile Research Association in India. Okay, the head office is Mumbai and corporate office is available in the Pune. WADE, Vehicle Research Development Establishment, CIRT, Central Institute of Road Transport, ICAT, International Center for the Automotive Technology, IIP, Indian Institute of Petroleum, CFMTTI, Central Farm Machinery Testing and Training Institute. Okay, so what are these? These are the institute or agency which is provide you different certification course. Okay, these are provide you different certification course. You can join the certification course by applying them. Okay, so NRF MTTI, Northern Region Farm Machinery Testing and Training Institute. This is the central and this is the northern region. So the institute is same, but it is active in different region. This is the central level and this is the northern region. GARC, Global Automotive Research Center, and NATRAX, National Automotive Test Track. So these are the certification agency which is provide the different field certification to the customer or applicant who is applied for particular certification. So here national committees, various national committees minor the relates to the automotive regulation. So MVA Motor Vehicle Act, CMVR Central Motor Vehicle Rules, IS Indian Standards, AIS Automotive Industry Standards, UNGRT UN Global Technical Regulation, UNRUN regulation. So these are the different agency who passed different rule regulation for to drive the vehicle on the highways and road. So CMVR, TSE and SCOE, Apex committee working on the safety and emission rules. So this committee is emission and regulation, and AISC, subdivisory committee to the CMVR, TSC and SCO for formulating and approving the standards. Okay, what standard they are approving means which quality are part, which type of part and which quality of material used in the vehicles in automotive. They are mark a standard or approve the standard for that. Technical panel, group of experts supporting AISC and BIS for formulating the standards. This is the technical panel. India BP.29 activities. Harmonization of the standards means they are clarify or certify the standards which is are provided. So here, see, all these four: Standing Committee on the Animation, SCOE, Standing Committee on the Animation, Chairman, Joint Secretary, MORT and H. This is the main. Okay, Ministry of Road Transportation and Humanity. Members, MOPNG, these are the members of these are the agencies. And here is Technical Standing Committee. So Chairman, Joint Secretary, the chairman of both is the Joint Secretary of this MORT and H. And here this is also National Standing Committee on VP29. This, the joint chairman is Joint Secretary for these three committee, and here one committee which is chairman is Director of ARAI. Okay, and members are all these members, means different agencies member is here, who is the member, and they are set rule and regulation for your road vehicles or automotive vehicles. So type of approval system in the similar to the UN ECE implemented in year 1991. Type of approval: administration, notifying agency, primarily MORTH. Standard and other requirement are notified under the CMVR. Testing agency notified the under rules 126. TA certification, testing agency certification issued by the testing agencies. Test standards. What are the test standards for the automotive vehicles? Bureau of Indian Standard BIS prepare and Indian standards. Bureau of Indian Standards prepare Indian standards for the vehicles. AISC Technical Committee prepare AIS standards. Automobile Indian standards as an interim steps. Emission test procedure as per the type 115, 116 documents. Future standard will be published as AIS, Roadmap and Regulation, agreed by the industry, test agency and government. Standards are aligned with the UN regulation oblique global technical regulation GTR to the extended possible. So governing factor, what are the governing factors? National rule oblique acts, Ministry of Road Transportation and Highways in the nodal ministry for the motor vehicle regulation, for the motor vehicle regulation in the India. See, technological advancement. First things is technological advancement. Then social requirements. So what are the uh, social requirement and what are the technical advancement? Means what happened in if we talk about the our old car, our initial car, then what happened, the car purpose is only to make a journey, means passenger can make a journey, okay, from one place to another place. So what happened, but what happened in current era, car is give you a comfort like your home. You can watch movie, you can drink cold drink, you can listen the music, you can sleep on the car because there is a sufficient space where you can meet, and many car is there where the car is designed for the corporate meeting too. So what happened, why these things is developed, because of the social requirement, means customer requirement. What happened, why the purpose of to design a car or make a car where you can arrange the corporate meeting or meetings, because the most of the time mm, of a person is consumed by the traveling time, okay, and they can't do anything during the journey. So this is the requirement for the society or corporate, that need of a car where the meeting is arranged, so they can save their journey time, they can utilize their journey time, which is much longer. Okay, so according to the social need, technical advancement is there, technological advancement is there. So here international harmonization, harmonization, and here input from national committees. So what is the these four, these four is make the national rule and act according to social requirement, technological advancement, input from national committees, and the international harmonization. These are the used for the national rule and regulation. They are utilized to make rule and regulation for the transportation. So here key provision in motor vehicle amendment. These amendment in 2019, I already we already discussed in previous lecture, but just we can revise that the monetary fitness test through the automated center, means fitness test for your vehicle. New provision for ELV, new section on the vehicle recall, safety of pedestrian and non-motorized transport, safety of children during the commute, electronics monitoring and enforcement of the road safety. New section for good Samaritan, golden or treatment, no fault liability, penalties, scheme for interim relief for the accident victim claimants, constitution of the motor vehicle accident relief fund, formulation of road safety board, various central motor vehicle rules consonant with Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 under the process. So these are the changes, these are the things where the 2019 Amendment Act is applied. So they can increase the fine, so the person do not repeat their mistake during the vehicle drive, and they also committed for the improvement of the safety, and there is also some scheme to interim relief for the accident victim. Means what happen, do if accident will be happen and the major accident is person lost their life, or they majorly um, lost their body parts, then there is a relief scheme under the road transport Ministry of Road and Transport Highway Authority. So here India is the signatory to Barcelona Declaration and the committed to reduce the number of road accidents and fatalities. Okay, so what happened here, under this section, India is committed to reduce the number of road accident and fatalities. A reference report, road accidents in India 2015 by the MORT, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. So expert from Barcelona Declaration recommitted action to develop and promote the use of safer vehicles. First, seat belt, airbag, and active safety systems such as ABS, anti-lock braking system, CSG, fitted as a standard air quality vehicle disposal. Recommended action to increase the awareness and build capacity of road user, professional driver work condition. Recommended action to strengthen cooperation and coordination toward global road safety. Develop national, regional, and global target to reduce road traffic crashes and fatality. This is by the WHO and UNCE and stakeholders. So these experts from the declaration, these are the declaration by the Indian government. So they can recommendation action developed by the safety, means a car must have these safety factors. These safety factors: seat belt, airbag, active safety system, ABS, ESC fitted in the standard, air quality and vehicle disposal is there. Okay. So here you can see Candidate global target and indicates for review. Core area objective eliminate production and importation of substandards new vehicles. What are the target? 100% of new vehicle defined as the produced or sold, meeting purity standards based on the UN regulations are equivalent, recognize the national standards. So there are 6 points which is must be covered. Frontal impact protection and side impact protection. What happened in such a case in India? Maximum vehicles provide the frontal impact protection, but maximum number of car means medium range car range between 5 lakh to 9 lakh or 10 lakh is not provide the protection against side impact. Electronic stability control, but side impact protection is also important, as like frontal impact protection is important. Electronics stability control and pedestrian front protection. The seat belt regulation means what happened, the regulation is there during the journey, the driver and passenger must wear the seat belt. Okay, that is the seat belt regulation. The child restraint regulation means if child is there, then there is a different arrangement which must we have in your car during the journey. Motorcycle anti-lock braking system. Okay, so this is for the two wheeler. Motorcycle anti-braking system is there. Means what do you mean by anti-braking system? Anti-braking system is that when the barrier or breakers is come, the vehicle speed or vehicle sense that barriers and the brake is applied automatically. That is the anti-lock braking system. So this is about the accident statistics in India. Okay, this is, you can see what the percentage or what is the number of accidents in 2008 and in 2018 comparison for the 10 year. Okay, so road accident 4,84,704 and road accident in 2018, that is 4,000, sorry, 4,67,004. This is the reduction in road accident due to the some advancement in the safety device. See, person injuries, this is 5,23,193, and here this is also persons injuries is also reduced. Fatalities means here 1,19,806. The fatalities is increased. This fatalities number of fatalities in increase every 4 hour, 55 accident and 14 death. And here every hour 55 accident and 14 death, and every hour 53 accident and 17 death. The number of accident and number of death is increases, and the number of accident is not much more varied. So what happened here, the technology is improved, but if we can consider overall examination, so what happened, 2018 versus 2028, fatality is increases, see, fatalities is increases, but road accident and person injuries is decreases. Okay, so this is the case study regarding the accidental case during the road journey. Fatalities versus vehicle pollution. So see here year wise. So population of the India. See population fatality versus vehicle population. So year 1990, population of India, which is have automobiles, means car, 8,35,000, and road accident is 33.8, road accident risk 6.5, because population is less. See, population is less, only 8,35,000 person having the motor vehicles, cars. And here total number of registered vehicle in thousand, this is in thousand, and this is also in thousand. Okay, the unit is thousand, means you can multiply by the thousand, then you find out the total number of the vehicle. Okay, so these are the based on the thousand. Road accident rate normalized for the vehicle, this, and here you can see the how much the number is increases, how much the number is increases here for the vehicle population, road accident, see here, and road accident death rate 16.2, because the absence of the road safety. And here you can see 5.8, 3-time reduction. And here what is the increment, this is the vehicle density, means number of vehicle is increases. Vehicle density in 2000 is 15 and here is 43. So the vehicle density is 3-time increases, but what happened, the death rate is decreased due to the Road Safety and Regulation Act, and there is the some advancement by the road safety equipment like ABS, airbag, frontal impact protection and side impact protection. So many protection is provided in the vehicles, so that the death rate is decreases. So road accident risk, number of accident per lakh population. Road accident death risk, number of person killed per lakh population. Okay, road accident rate, see here. So these are the symbols, accident per lakh, road accident risk, number of accident per lakh, it is given. Where is the star, this is per lakh. Okay, each and every, means you can multiply by the 1 lakh and you get the total number. Okay, and here what is the dollar meaning? Road accident per lakh. So where this is also based on the lakh. You can multiply the 1 lakh and you get the actual number. Okay, road accident, number of accident per 10,000. Okay, so this, where is the symbol? The symbol is here. You can multiply by the 10,000 to get the original number. Okay, and here road accident, number of person killed per 10,000. So this is also for the 10,000. So here you can multiply by the 10,000 and get the original or actual number. And double dollar, vehicle density, number of vehicle per kilometer of the road. So this is depend on the 1 kilometer, how many vehicles is under the 1 kilometer. Means in 2000 there is 15 vehicle in one under the 1 kilometer, and here in 2017 there is 43 vehicle in under the 1 kilometer region. Okay, so safety norms history. So here you can see 2000 to 2005, what are the safety device? 2000 to 2010, what are the safety device? And 2000 to 10 to 2015, what are the improvement? What are the improvement under the 5 years? See, brake, high speed braking, steering effect and seat belt, gradability, tell tally and control, lighting, pass by the noise, COP of the component, survival space, strength, and the super structures, retro reflector, safety, and spray suspension, demit and deforced, transaction batteries, EMC, crush norms, airbag. Means you can see under the 2015 to 20 there is a tremendous change. There is a tremendous change for the safety. What happened? Crush norms is increases, airbag, CRS, speed and seat belt alert, and they are the pedestrian safety, ABS, EMI, EMC, AHO, sleeper coach is there, double deck buses is there. So how much the safety is increment in the 2015 to 20, and now the rest is under the coming, because the 5 year is not completed. The significant uh, step in last 5 year. See what happened. This is about the 1 year. ESC safety roadmap for the CEV, safety features for 2-volt standard footrest external protection and future subjected. And this is the new technology which is come during the development, under the development journey of the road safety. This is about the passenger car. See, so what are the safety? Airbag, driver airbag is mandatory. Seat belt, driver and co-driver seat belt is remembered. Manual override for the central locking, manual overriding for the protection against the lockdown. Okay. Fourth, rear parking assist system, R pass for the safe parking. 5, crush standard, mandatory crush standard is there. And pedestrian safety, the car designed for the ensuring the pedestrian safety in the every event the car. So you can see this is your airbag, this is your seat belt, and this is your manual overdrive locking system, and there is the rear parking, and this is crux standards. What are the crux standards is there? And this is your pedestrian safety. So all you can see the representation by the diagram. And now safety requirement braking. So you can see braking is much important. This is your ABS, uh, anti-lock braking system, and ABS for the almost all category of the vehicles. See what happened? This is without ABS and this is with ABS. So what happened? The barrier is there. Without ABS, what happened? The car is impact on the barrier. But with ABS, what happened? The car is little bit shift to avoid the accident. Okay. And now electronic stability control, ESC system. So you can with ESC system and without ESC system. So what happened? The with EST system, this green line is represented. So what happened? In red line, you can see the turning is not proper without the ESC system. But with the ESC system, the turning is comfortable and safe. Braking assist system if fitted for 1M and N1M. So see here, there is the braking device, and here revised braking standard for all category of the vehicles. Electric vehicles. So see here, construction safety scope M and N category in the CMVR AIS 038 revised by 1, new adopted AIS 03 revised by 2, revision 2. So in line with the GTR 20 phase first and UNR 18 revision, 3 transposition and documented proposed for the notifications. Now under the AIS 156, construction safety scope L categories in CMVR AIS 038 revision 1, new adopted AIS 156 in line with the UNR 136 produced for the notification. So what are these? These are the revision according to the AIS Automotive Indian Standards. These are the rules and regulation are passed AIS 03. This is the revision 1. What is the revision? The measurement of electronic energy consumption scope L, M and N category in the CMVR AIS 03 revision 1 in line with the UNR 0. So here you can see in the AI4, this is under the revision 1, measurement of range scope LMN categorized in the CMR AIS 040 revision in 1 and in line with the UNR 101. AIS 041, this is also under the revision 1, measurement of next power and maximize the 30-minute power scope LMN category in the CMVR AIS 041 revision in 1 in line with the UNR 85 revision 1 available, no technical change for the motor. So what happened, these are the rule and regulations set up by the electric motor, because electric motor is the future of the automobile industry. Okay, in the future, because there is the limited availability of the conventional fuel like petrol and diesel. So in the future, the consumption of petrol and diesel is much more, and the source of these conventional fuel is reduced. So what happened, the automobile industry is based on the electricity, because if water is there, if sun is there, and if air velocity is there, then anyhow we can generate the electricity. But what happened, conventional fuel is limited, so we don't upon the conventional fuels, so that we can go through the conventional fuels. Reduction of conventional fuel is there, so we can utilize